Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will guide you how to install a new copy of Windows on your machine. For that, you must have a bootable media. Better to have a bootable USB. If you insert the bootable USB into your USB port, you will be taken to this screen. Here I have started the process to bootable USB, and you see I have two options. One, this option, install new, and the other, this one, repair your computer. So I want to install the new one, and the install is selected. I just hit the enter keyboard and it goes over here, and now it asks me about the key, but I presently don't remember my key, so I select this option. I don't have a product key. I enter this, and I come over here. Now you have to select from the different operating systems, and I want to install education, Windows 10 education 64-bit. This is 64-bit. I select this and I go ahead, clicking next. Now here you have to accept. I accept this, then I go next. In here, upgrade install window and key file settings. If the file setting on your computer is the same as the file setting of the new version, it will install it and will take the files alongside. However, if the files are different, for example, E5 Windows will not install on GPT. So MBR and GPT difference are always there. So I consider a new version custom install, and I click on this. Okay, now I have the 0 drive is in fact SSD, and the 1 drive has 3 partitions, and this is the hard disk. So I want to install on this, but here it gives me a notice that Windows cannot be installed on drive 0 partition, and the reason show detail. If I click on it, it sees that the selected disk has MBR partition table. On E5 system, Windows can only be installed on GPT disk. So I need to convert the MBR to GPT, and for this I need to click the Shift and F10 button simultaneously, and my keyboard here I set this to go to command prompt, and here I write disk 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 part, and I click enter. Okay, I go to this part, and now I ask the CMD to list the disk, list disk, so it will list my disk. Okay, you see here I have 3 disks. This 0 is in fact the one on which I want to install the Windows, so I ask him to select disk 0. Okay, there is no disk. Oh, I made a mistake. This is not 0. I in fact enter O, so I ask select disk 0 space 0, and then I click enter. The 0 is now selected. I write clean. This part succeeded in cleaning the disk, and now I write convert GPT. So this will convert, this part successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. So from MBR we have converted to GPT, and now I close this command prompt. I just refresh it, right, and the warning notice is now gone. So I just click on next and copying Windows file. So you see the installation has begun, and it will definitely take a little longer, so I'll come back with the videos once the things are installed, because it is just now reaching to 6%. So I stop the video here and I'll continue with it once the files are loaded. So window needs to restart to continue. So yes, is this right keyboard layout? Yes. Want to add a second keyboard? Escape. I don't know. And here you connect to the available internet network by providing the key. Here you are supposed to add a security key in the form of a PIN, which are usually numerics. All sets, click this button and the Windows is installed. Thanks for watching.